Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and review of the Otterbox Symmetry case for the iPhone 13. I'm going to be putting this on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm really hoping that it looks good. The key thing here with a case like this is that people want to see the back of their iPhone, especially with a shiny new iPhone 13. You definitely want to show that one off and be able to just see it. And this year there's a lot of great colors and everything, so I definitely understand why people want to see them. So I saw this case at the mall when I was picking up my phone, and apparently it's very popular. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox it, put it on the phone, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. So let's get started. Alright, so we've got the phone right here, the 13 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and grab the case. Now, Otterbox does make this for all of the new iPhone 13 models, and I'll leave a link down below in the description if you do want to pick one up for yourself. But anyways, here's the box here. So Otterbox Symmetry Drop Plus Protection. It's compatible with Apple Magsafe as well, which is nice, and it's made with more than 50% recycled materials. You know, protect the planet. Now, something interesting that I found is that it says for 2021 extra large iPhone and the 12 Pro Max. So I'm thinking that this is just the recycled case from last year with a little bit of rebranding. They didn't even put iPhone 13 on it, but it's technically marketed for the iPhone 13 right now. 5G compatible. There's the back of the box here. Ultra thin design, pocket friendly design, easy on and off, and raised edges to protect the camera and screen. So just some paperwork. We'll toss that to the side. This is some really interesting packaging here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. So there's the case. It feels really premium. The nice thing with Otterbox is that the frame is really strong. Like, I'm pressing it and it's barely even moving. A lot of cheaper cases that you find on Amazon are going to be really bendable, and this one is not. Like, there's a little bit of flex, but that's really it. Other than that, it's very strong, and it's definitely going to protect the phone from falls. So far I'm impressed. Now let's go ahead and put it onto the 13 Pro Max. Just press it in there, and just like that. That's it. So you can see there's some pretty thick borders to it, and it is going to add a little bit of size to the phone. There's the back, and I'm really liking this because it's nice and clear, and you can see the Apple logo and the finish of the actual phone. And that's the reason why I really like clear cases, because you can really appreciate the design that Apple went with versus just covering up the phone right away with a case where you can't see anything. Now here's the side. You get minimal branding with Otterbox written there, and then your power button is really easily clicked here. Volume rockers are super easy to click as well, and then there's a cutout for the ringer right above it. The camera protection is pretty good too, because the lip actually raises quite a bit, which some cases are making it raise a lot, and some cases are making it really minimal and low profile. And I'm glad that Otterbox decided to go with a higher lip, because obviously protecting those cameras is very important. But yeah, I gotta say, I'm really liking the case so far. Like, it's actually pretty light. It obviously looks really good, and clicking the buttons is really easy. One thing that I don't like about some clear cases is that the buttons are very hard to click. Like, for example, this case last year, the buttons were actually pretty difficult to press down, and this year they definitely improved that. And last year the case was really tight to the phone, and it was actually really hard to get it on and off, versus this year it's a lot easier. Like, I'll go ahead and take it off. It's actually way easier. Like, I'm literally just pushing on the corners and it's gonna pop out in 3, 2, 1. Easy, just like that. Now, the only real negative that I have with this case is that you can't really see the stainless steel edges that well. The plastic on the case kind of just covers it, and then it just blocks out the actual shine. Like you can see the bottom, there's the stainless steel alongside the plastic, and there's definitely a huge difference. Some cases are better at showing off the stainless steel than others, and this one doesn't show it that well. But if you're someone who doesn't really care, then this case is definitely going to be really good. You can still see the most important part, which is the back, and I think that's what a lot of people are looking for when they're looking for a clear case like this. But yeah, that is the Otterbox Symmetry case for the iPhone 13. I definitely recommend it because it is very strong. The lip on the camera is really good. They improved on the buttons from last year. They're really easy to click, and Otterbox has a great warranty as well. So overall, it's a pretty solid case, and like I said, if you do want to pick one up for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. This is personally my favorite case for the iPhone 13 that I've tested so far, and it looks really good. I know I've said that like 100 times in the video already, but it's because it's true. It is a little bit more expensive than some other cases. I think this one cost me like 75 Canadian dollars with the tax, so if you're in the US, I think it's around $50 or $60, but you do get what you pay for, because like I said, Otterbox has a great warranty system, and the case is built better than most of the cheaper cases that you can find on Amazon or eBay. So yeah, really solid case overall this year, and Otterbox did a great job. Leave a comment down below of what you guys think about it, and if you guys want to see more accessory videos for the iPhone 13, make sure you subscribe. I think I have like 15 cases that I need to make videos on, so it's gonna be a busy next few days. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next one.